And it begins early, just under a couple of minutes into the game. Connor McMichael will pick the far corner on Justus Annunen, and it's 1-0 for the Canadians, just like that. A minute later, Alexis Lafrenière in tight on the great pass from Foot. Backhand, top shelf. 2-0 Canada. They're not done. Jamie Drysdale cuts into the slot. Rister beats Annunen, and it's 3-0 just like that. 3 goals in 2:07. Later in the period, McMichael's shot will dribble. Annunen kind of plays the shell game, lifts up his glove to look for the puck, and that's a mistake, because Ty Dellandrea will make it 4-0 for Canada after one. Just under a minute to go in the period. Finland with a great chance on the power play, but Joel Hofer, boy, was he just terrific. He's been terrific the entire tournament, but in this game, just a tour de force for Canada. Missed opportunity there for the Finns. Late second, Canada on the power play. Lafrenière, we've seen that before, walks in, Sneeip. Second of the game, 5-0 for the Canadians. This was the only downfall. Third period, Barrett Hayton chasing a loose puck. It's tied up with Lassie Thompson, falls awkwardly into the boards, did not return to the game. There's the update. I was trying to read lips, and when it's a long update, I always figure that's a good thing. There's a chance that he's going to be back tomorrow. If he comes in and says 3 words, he's done. But they talked to Dale Hunter for about a minute there. Did not return in this game. Of course, we'll get an update for you as soon as we can. But right now, all you need to know is Canada beats Finland. 5-0 is the final in this one. And Canada is off to the gold medal game at the World Juniors. First time a shutout at the World Juniors in a semifinal since 2006, when Canada beat Finland 4-0 in Vancouver. In the gold medal game in that tournament, Canada shuts out Russia 5-0 in the final.